Yeah, what's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. This is Poppyjoe FS right here. And now, what we have for today? Now, I'm looking at the market breakdown in-depth analysis of BTC USD. So, this is based on popular demand. So, I'll be making a full breakdown on an analysis and my own perspective of what we can expect on BTC USD and in the coming months and days. So, now let's start analysis on the weekly chart. Now, looking at BTC USD currently, now what we see in the market is the market has created this all-time high, and what do we expect? We can see that the market, after creating this all-time high, is already retracing and going lower, meaning the market is trying to correct itself to find under support before making under impulse move higher. Now, looking at this and looking at the kind of price action forming around this particular zone, you can see that for the next coming week now, what do we expect? We expect the market to be a bearish candle or possibly a bullish candle. But definitely what we expect from here is more of a bearish candle. Meaning what we expect in the coming months, the coming week is that the next candle that will form should be a bearish candlestick. Yeah, we expect a bearish candlestick to form in the coming week. Now, let's look at the lower time frame action and see what we have on the lower time frame. Now, on the lower time frame, what do we have? We have the market creating this all-time high and immediately dropping sharply after creating the all-time high. So, what are we seeing there? What do we expect? Will the market keep on going higher, or will the market retrace and go lower? Now, looking at our RSI indicator here, we could see that the market has created this this leg. On this leg, the market became overbought, and after being this overbought, the market dropped, and then we could see the market even breaking its previous high. Okay, what I mean by that is that, see here now, we have this divergence. Market is creating higher high here, while on the um RSI chart, the market is creating a lower low. What this signals is that we will be having more bearishness of this particular pair, because most times divergence leads to trend reversal. You understand? Meaning this bullish reversal is about to end, and we could expect more bearishness in the market in the coming week. You understand? But now the market is currently looking at the daily chart. Now you can see a different there's a different story here. For the past 3 days now, the market has been going up. Yeah, now what is the market trying to do? Does this mean that the market will continue going up? No, the market is trying to the price and find a better price to enter for us to go lower. Now, what I mean by that is that using smart money concept, market has created this long dump here. Okay, let's see now. This is it here. There's a shift of market structure already. There's a shift of market structure to bearish, and the market is creating this particular pattern, trying to find the next supply zone to mitigate, and the market going lower. Now, these are the demand zones that even if you want to buy BTC. Now, I had this analysis and I had this order to buy BTC at this level. See, I was intending to buy BTC at this level, although not to this high. My targets would definitely not be to that high, definitely be below the supply. But you could see that the market did not get to my entry criteria, meaning the market just started buying before getting to my POI. But definitely now my bias has changed, because I won't be taking a trade when market gets to this particular POI again. This is already invalidated, and I think market has even left me already, meaning I'll only be waiting for the market to go higher into these zones. Now, with the market going higher into this zone, what does that mean? I will expect market to create liquidities for it to continue going lower. Now, markets won't just continue going lower without creating liquidity and taking liquidity. You understand? Because the market is moved by everything. The market is all about liquidity. And if your market should go down, definitely the market should take liquidity or buyers. If the market is to sell, the market should create liquidity or buy side liquidity and then take it so that the market can sell. Now, I'll be expecting the market to have a form of inducement before I have this bearish continuation that I'm anticipating from the market. Now, let me show you the view of the market that I'm looking at. You can see the market is still trying to rally high. Now, this market rallying high doesn't mean that the market is about to continue buying. No, we know that the market will not buy for long. The market is only trying to reprice to a better, to a fair value price, and then continue going lower. So this is my thought process on BTC USD. I'm expecting the market to find supply within this zone and then move lower sharply after market gets to this point. So definitely my entry criteria are not instantly. I'm not using the pen on that because I will have to wait for a change of character. Meaning market after getting to this zone, what I expect is a change of character. Meaning I have to see that the change or there's a clear change of character from market changing hand from the bullish now to the bearish. You understand? So these are things I will look out for in the market in the coming week. So for BTC USD, my bias is still bearish. Although the market is bearish not for a long time though, because if you look at the weekly time frame here, you can see that the market normally we understand that the market creates higher highs and higher lows. And looking at this structure here now, consider the market has created this high, that's created this low, and now that's created this higher high. Meaning we expect the market to just find support around these demand zones. Demand zones that are below this point, the market should find support there. And then from there, market can continue going high to create a new all-time high. But for now, since we are not a swing trader, we are day trading, we'll be waiting for market to give us the opportunity for us to join the sell into this demand zone that we have right here. So thank you. As the market progresses and unfolds, we'll be updating this particular analysis, and I'll be sharing most of this my analysis on the YouTube channel and also on my Telegram group. So thank you. Keep following, share it with your friends. Thank you.